You're gonna need a fork for this taco. At this point, I don't even know if it's a taco anymore. Hi everyone, it's Tracy. Welcome back to my channel and happy Cinco de Mayo. Today I made, for Cinco de Mayo, I made chicken tacos. And for the chicken tacos, at first I took the chicken breast and I let it marinate in the cilantro oil base sauce that I made earlier this week. Let them saute, then wrapped them up in an aluminum pack so they could cook, and let them cook for about 45 minutes. As they cooked, I made a salad. I took the cilantro oil dressing, added cucumbers, radishes, green onions, butter lettuce. You can add whatever you want. Toss that, set to the side. And then I made what I would call broccoli corn salsa. And I mixed together broccoli, corn, red onion, just a little bit of olive oil, mix that together, and then you can set that aside to dress with your tacos. I went back to the chicken breasts, sliced them up, made a little and shredded it, added the Dijon cilantro dressing that I made and tossed it around. Then I went back to my salad and added the cilantro dressing that I made, just a tad more because I put some at the bottom already. Mixed that around and tossed it, and then I set that to the side, and you can either serve that on the side or serve it on top of your tacos. And there we are. Took the chicken, the broccoli and corn salsa, added some tomatoes, added some feta cheese, added some avocado, and there you go. Chicken tacos a different way for Cinco de Mayo. Thank you. I hope you enjoy. And don't forget to click like and subscribe. Take care.